Second stop, the Monkey Mountain. Pinagtawanan ka lang. They thought you were so cute, Lance. What is that?
Pencil.
On your face like this.
Like I used to do. Remember when
You're gonna drop it, honey. Merci. Oh, merci.
Start restarts there. Do you see a monkey?
Oh yeah, do it, Carla.
He's looking for more.
Carla, it's so cute. They're not aggressive.
I think it's good.
No, they're not.
Vintage. Listen.
Oh, that's nice. Where? Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. Okay, Carla, move her. Okay. Hi, monkey. Okay, there's another one there, Eve. Yay! Oh, that's very nice.
You can't do it
Polish
just like that.
nail.
I think she can do it though.
Yeah.
Come on.
Make sure, love. I don't want.
Just chill out. Hold on, you have to hold it.
Oh, that's not. Carla, inaamoy niya.
That is it.
Oh, Lancey Poo. Yes.
Ready?
Good job, Isa. Good girl. Oh, there's a big one right there, guys. Right there.
Potatoes.
I need to see more monkeys so I don't finish the pop.
Uh-oh, Carla's gonna finish the pop. Ang dami.
Pag-isang ko na.
Wag Carla, bulin tayo niyan. Ano kinakain nila? What are they eating? Right, it's a lot over there.
Sunbathing. Oh, they're cleaning.
Oh.
Oh, the baby. I want to see the baby. That baby. Oh.
Guys, look at that. Eee. Yuck. Whoop. Oh. Baby's dead.
Oh, look. You see that?
What? Oh, it's on his back.
Yeah, but did you see how he grabbed that little one from I saw it.
What did he do? Oh,
He grabbed one.
is that the mommy? There's a big one right there in front of us. Right there. Oh boy.
Grandpa.
That's Grandpa. Look at that one on top.
Maybe they're a family.
Oh, he's climbing.
What do you think, Cassie? You want to stay? You want to live with Grandpa there? You think you'll be friends with Grandpa?
Slowly.
I'm gonna go first.
Go first, Carla. Cassie, can you move? I'm gonna take Carla's picture. Cassie, you don't run. You don't run. Wait, Carla, wait. Good job. Oh boy, he's going. Good job.
Thank you, Mikey.
Isa, you're so cute.
You want a kiss? You want a kiss,
No. Okay. They're eating apples.
Yeah, but the guy's throwing seeds.
Oh, they got apples.
You're not paid.
I know. Seeds. Oh. Oh, there's another one right there. Whoop.
I see a baby monkey.
Oh, there's a baby. Carla, look. Ano yung radish?
No, is that onion?
Ay, onion. Radish. Let's get closer. Yeah, she's eating apple.
Le 5 facture du docteur. Chaque jour, à l'aide d'un tracteur, on leur distribue 150 kg de fruits et légumes et 80 kg de céréales. Cette nourriture est répartie partout dans la forêt afin que chaque singe y ait accès sans avoir à se disputer, peu importe son rang social. Ils mangent également de l'herbe, des feuilles. En ce moment, on se régale.
Sorry. Oh boy, they're fighting.
That's a male. Oh, you have to be careful around monkeys because they'll go.
Oh, he's mad.
Yeah, he's the daddy. That's why.
Oh, oh.
On associe les
Oh
singes
my god.
Les magos font partie des exceptions, car en Afrique du Nord,
Oh, what is that? Cabbage?
on trouve un climat similaire au nôtre.
And there's carrots.
L'hiver est aussi froid et enneigé que chez nous,
Ay, natakot ako sa'yo. Kala ko nasa likod. What are they? Why are they fighting?
et l'été chaud et sec. Nos magos se sentent donc ici comme chez eux.
Look at him.
C'est
So
au
cute.
printemps.
Look at the carrots. They're eating carrots right there.
One-legged monkey.
Where? Oh.
Et c'est aussi la saison du renouveau. La végétation commence à pousser et les insectes réapparaissent.
I'm gonna feed the monkey. I'm scared, Carla. I'm scared. Okay, Carla.
Come on.
Carla.
La petite requin.
He's nice.
But he did it quickly.
Guys, so I found a monkey park, and just a tip when you're in Europe is to drive around, and all you gotta do when you drive around is to look around and find a castle on the hill. And when we were in Italy, that was the best thing in the world to do. And today we were in France, and I said, you know what, I'm not going straight home, I'm going to find this castle on the hill. We found it, went in the castle, that's cool, you see that in the video. But then we found a monkey park. So there's actually monkeys everywhere. As you can see, there's some laying down here, right, in this area. I'm running from the monkeys. I'm running. I found the monkey. Bah! Oh, there's another one. Bah!
Right there.
And another one.
Right there, love. You can sit down right beside him.
Okay.
Flip the camera.
Oh.
Kathy, don't freaking out. Don't freaking out. Okay, move.
So, I finally found my friend. I've been hiking for many, many years with Tommy. We've never found our friend until now. And Tommy's not here. So, Tommy, if you're watching, here's your friend. He misses you. Come home, Tommy. Come home. Baby. Wait, Cass, wait. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Yay. Good, I finally got the baby to eat from my hand. He just keeps trading it off. Good job. All right.
There's a leaf on him.
Uh-oh.
Give it to the monkey. No monkey.
Oh, you're so sweet. There's more babies. Oh, there's more babies right here. Baby, the other baby.
Come on.
Oh, look. Take it on. Oh.
High five? Can you high five? Air five? Can we do an air five? Got it. Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you.
Come on, Cassie. Give one to the baby.
Look. Oh, poor baby. Oh, the butt.
Oh, Carla looks at the butt of animals. We're looking at the faces.
Here comes the dad.
Hey,
Why are
hey,
you so mean?
don't be mean. Hey, don't be mean. Ow, you scratched me. Don't be mean.
Look, there's
Don't be mean. Okay? Don't be mean. Oh, the little baby. The little babies need love. See? Look at his face.
I like you.
Hello, guys. Malapit na yun. No. Si Carla kasi tinaw. She's coming. Behind you, love. Behind you. Ay, naku. Love. Carla, magulat naman yan. Kasi Carla, love, stay away, love.
Oh, he's like,
Carla kasi tinawag eh.
What's it down? And his friend Lance. You got another one coming up behind you.
Carla, usod ka lang. Tayo na yung malaki. Oh my goodness, Lance, atras.
wait, tatakutin mo.
Lance, hablutin niya yung buhok mo, Lance. Socializing? Oop. Ew, that's scary.
His butt's crooked.
I know. She don't want yours. Give her the last popcorn.
Sitting really decent.
Is he?
He's like,
Cassie, she don't like. She's ignoring you, Cassie.
Here, guys.
Kuya, ayaw nga eh. He's just ignoring you, Lance. Oh.
It's like nothing.
we found a loose monkey outside the gate. Come, we're gonna feed it with chocolate.
Loose monkey.
It's vicious. It's vicious. It's like the most intelligent monkey ever.
Cassie, don't.
Monkey Euro.
Monkey Euro?
I've just been buying all kinds of stuff today. You put it in the phone. Right there. See, as you see on TV.
Voila la. Voila la. Oh, let me see, Isa, let me see.
It's pretty real too, doesn't it?
Oh, it is real. It is.
It's a real zero. Got monkeys. It does feel real though.
Oh, it looks like real. That's your money.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you, Daddy.
It feels real though.
Look at Isa's face. Do it, Isa, do it. Oh, yeah?